Here's some Model T Ford trivia. Subscribe. What assembly process is the Model T known for? Is it A, modular build, B, hand assembly, C, craftsmanship method, or D, assembly line? The correct answer is D, assembly line. Which country is the Model T primarily associated with? Is it A, Japan, B, Germany, C, Canada, or D, United States? The correct answer is D, United States. What type of vehicle is the Model T classified as? Is it A, automobile, B, bicycle, C, train, or D, airplane? The correct answer is A, automobile. What is the total production number for the Model T? Is it A, 5 million, B, 20 million, C, over 15 million, or D, 10 million? The correct answer is C, over 15 million. What kind of fuel did the Model T primarily use? Is it A, diesel, B, coal, C, ethanol, or D, gasoline? The correct answer is D, gasoline. What was the notable feature of the Model T's design? Is it A, innovative aesthetics, B, complex machinery, C, luxury interior, or D, simple and durable? The correct answer is D, simple and durable. What was the main market impact of the Model T? Is it A, limited production, B, high maintenance, C, affordability, or D, luxury pricing? The correct answer is C, affordability. What feature made the Model T easy to drive? Is it A, automatic transmission, B, advanced safety features, C, lightweight design, or D, high speed? The correct answer is C, lightweight design. What was a common nickname for the Model T? Is it A, Speed Demon, B, Black Beauty, C, Tin Lizzie, or D, Motor King? The correct answer is C, Tin Lizzie. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.